Hi, my name is Christy Freeman. I also teach a foreign language. It's called algebra. I teach Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry here at ClassSource. Let's see, what do you need to know about that? I use the books that we use are a little bit older edition. So I actually have a lot of used books so that my students, like if a student takes Algebra 1 from me this year and they bought a book from me, then when they go to take Algebra 2, then I just trade them. So, if your child is just starting math with me, just get the book from me, I'll sell it to you used, and then you just trade it out for the next class, or sell it back to me at the end of the year, so you're not having to search for the book. Also, every time I give the assignment for class, the homework on ThinkWave, I include a video of the lesson that we did in class, so that if your child was sick or for some reason had to miss class, they can watch the video, catch up, and do their homework. So there's nobody getting behind, because as we all know, math is built, you have to go up the steps. You can't jump up. So let's see. I think that's pretty much it. Algebra 1, 2, and geometry. It's just math. It's, but they are 2 days a week, Tuesday and Thursday. So you would need to come. But also, I am a big fan of, I'm a homeschooler. I should have said about me. I have 3 kids, a 22-year-old, an 18-year-old, and a 15-year-old. The 22-year-old is majoring in computer engineering at Florida Poly in Lakeland. So yes, it works. He got all the Florida Bright Futures. He's going to school with a full ride, and he was homeschooled since birth. So if you had any doubts about all of that. Anyway, so I love math. That's all you need to know. All right, here comes the guy who loves science.